Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on mathematics. Today we are going to study comparison of numbers. In comparison of numbers, yesterday I explained you about ascending order. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Arranging of numbers from smallest to biggest. Arranging the number from smallest to the biggest is ascending order. So I will give you one number. So 46, 79, 84, 37, 23. So you have to arrange this in ascending order. So ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest. So first when you are seeing the number, smallest number, we have to see the numbers in tens position. Here it is 4, here it is 7, 8, 3, 2. So which is the smallest number when we compare only the first number you take? That is 2, 3, 8, 7, 9. So 23 is the smallest number. So 23 is over. Now in the next one you see 4, 7, 8, 3. 3, that is, this is the next number. Smaller. So these two numbers we have finished. Now 46, 79, 84. So 8, 7, 4 you take. 4 will be the smallest number. That is 46. This is over. Then in this 2, 7 and 8 is there. 7 is smaller. So 79 and 84 will be the leftover number. So this is what we have studied yesterday. Arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest is called ascending order. In this way you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So as you are climbing the step, you will be going on increasing. That is 23, 37, 46, 79, 84. This is our ascending order. Now coming to descending order. What is descending order? Decreasing order. Descending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Arranging the number from biggest to smallest, or also you can say decreasing. Arranging the numbers in decreasing order. And for ascending order you can say increasing order. Arranging the number in increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order, descending order means decreasing, arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. So my number so these are the numbers 49, 87, 63, 54, 17. So from biggest number, so after first see the numbers, then take the first numbers 4, 8, 6, 5, 1. That is the number which is in first position. So see which is the biggest number. So which is the biggest number? 4, 8, 6, 5, 1. So which will be the biggest? 8 is the biggest number here. So we have finished writing 8. Take it. Now 4, 6, 5, 1. So which is the bigger number here? 6 is the bigger number. So our number is 63. We have finished these two. 4, here it is 5, here it is 1. Now which is the bigger number? 5. 54. Now two numbers are left, 4 and 1. Which is bigger? 4 is bigger. So that number is 49. Then coming, the leftover number will be 17. So this is the decreasing order. Decreasing order is nothing but arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. So how I am going to arrange this here? Now I am coming down. Here I was climbing the step, that is increasing. Now I am decreasing. So my number here it will be 87, 63, 54, 47, 17. 49. So here I am going on decreasing, coming down, that is decreasing. It is from biggest to smallest. I will give you one more example. Now, these are the numbers, single digit numbers. So how we are going to arrange these single digit numbers? So no need to see here, only one number we are having, so no need to see the place value. So 4, 6, 7, 3, 8, which is the biggest number here? 8 is the biggest number, then 7 is the biggest number, then comes 6, then comes 4, then comes 3. So it is very easy if we are having single digit numbers. It is very easy for us to write in increasing order or the decreasing order. Now when we are taking the 2-digit numbers, so these are my numbers 34, 37, 39, 33, 35. So here what happened? Here all the numbers in the tens position are what happened? Here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3. All my numbers here in the tens position are same. All the numbers are having 3 in the tens position. So in that case, what we have to do? How we are going to find the biggest number here? So what we have to do? Now we have to come to the place value of 1. Check the numbers which is in 1's position. So as the numbers in the tens position are tens place value same, now we are going to check the numbers in 1's place value. So it is 4, 7, 9, 3, 5. So now in this number, check which is our bigger number. Which is our bigger number? 4, 7, 9, 3, 5. So 9 is the bigger number. So the number is 39. This is over. Now 4, 7, 3, 5. 4, 7, 3, 5. In this, which will be the bigger number? 7 will be the bigger number. This is over. That is 37. Now 4, 3, 5. Which is the bigger? 5 is bigger. So 35 is over. Now two numbers are left. One is having 3 and 4. 3 is bigger number. So 34 will write. And the leftover last number will be 33. So in this way, if the place value, if the number in the tens place value is same, you have to check the place value of 1's place. Here it is 4, 7, 9, 3 and 5. In this way, you have to check the number in the 1's place and write according to the, that is decreasing order, biggest to smaller. Now one more example. 36. So now my number in tens place is different. So we are going to check the number in tens place and then write according to the descending, that is decreasing order, biggest to smallest. So 3, 4, 7, 5, 3. Check the numbers 3, 4, 7, 5. 3 is repeated. So first check these numbers 3, 4, 7, 5. In this, which is the biggest number? 7 is the biggest number. So our number is 73. Now 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 5 is the biggest. So the number is 54. Now 3, 4 is left. 3 and 4. So 4 is bigger. 449 will write. Now here it is 3, here it is 3. So when again here the number in the tens place is same 3 and 3. So we have to check the number in ones place. Here the number in ones place is 6. Here the number in ones place is 9. So which is bigger? The number 9 is bigger. So what is that number? 39. And the last number will be the leftover number, 36. So in this way you have to do the descending order. Descending order is nothing but decreasing order, arranging the number from biggest to the smallest. Understood, children? Did you understand how to write descending or ascending order and descending order? Ascending order is increasing order from smallest number to the biggest number. Descending order is decreasing order from biggest to smallest. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you. Increasing G. Increasing